Anna, 4 tea, 1 sugarless. Change. Inanga. Guys, take your tea.
Oh God, I hate my job, yaar.
What's new in that?
Tell me about it.
Seriously, I wish I were an entrepreneur or working on a startup.
Yeah, but one should also get an opportunity, man.
Boss, even if you get an opportunity, let me tell you it is not at all easy to take it up.
What do you mean?
Let me tell you about this guy. A few years ago when he was in college,
माँ मुझे 2 कंपनी में जॉब लग गई माँ। एक किप्रो में और दूसरी जमकाट में। जमकाट माँ एक स्टार्टअप कंपनी है। स्टार्टअप मतलब कि नई कंपनी। अरे टेंशन मत लो, वो मुझे बहुत पैसा दे रहे हैं, अपनी कंपनी के शेयर्स तक दे रहे हैं। अरे काम बहुत अच्छा है और पता है क्या, चाय कॉफ़ी भी फ्री है 24 घंटे।
Free tea and coffee. Wow.
That's pretty awesome.
Guys, what did his mom say?
बेटा तू ये किप्रो की ही नौकरी कर ले। ये जंप कार्ड लंप कार्ड जैसी कंपनियों के बारे में किसने सुना है? वैसे भी हमें 6 महीने में तेरी शादी करनी है। अगर तू किप्रो ज्वाइन करता है तो तुझे एक अच्छी लड़की मिलेगी। ये संप कार्ड जैसी कंपनी तो तू बाद में भी ज्वाइन कर सकता है, जरा सोच ले।
So what did he decide? Which job he took?
Kipro only. He has been with them for 7 years now. Stays in my apartment complex. Has wife, 2 kids. Every morning he walks his dog for an hour and picks up its poo.
It's totally understandable, you know. Anyway, intelligent engineer guys are never good with girls. And the only way he could have got some action was if he got married, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean.
Stop it, Akash.
Roger that.
And once you get married, you can just forget about becoming an entrepreneur.
Actually, I have a friend who had the same funda. He was working in his own startup company, not making much, but he had a girlfriend, a live-in.
क्या बात है बाप?
Things were going good until one fine day.
So, what's all this here? Wine, candle, biryani, my favorite. Anything special?
Faisal, when are we getting married?
After that, there was only one question in his life.
Hello?
Faisal, when are we getting married?
Faisal, when are we getting married?
हाँ माँ, वो मेरी फ्रेंड है माँ। नहीं माँ, मैं किसी से शादी नहीं कर रहा हूँ। आपको किसने कहा? आप फेसबुक पे कब से हो?
Faisal, when will we get married? Faisal, wait!
Then what? Break up? That guy is still single. He's working on his 3rd startup company, completely broke. Just the other day he had called me asking for a loan. Pretty sad.
Hey, what happened to his girlfriend?
Relax, dude. She's already married now.
Oh.
Second husband, actually. She divorced her first when he quit his IT job to try and write scripts for movies. Can you believe that?
Smart girl.
Come on, yaar. You can't just blame mothers and girlfriends for not becoming entrepreneurs. You mean there are no entrepreneurs who are married or what?
No, Daisy, it's not just about marriage. There is this good friend of mine. He had a fantastic idea for a new product and he wanted to start his own company. Then he got married. But he still did not give up. He used to work on his venture late at night after his regular job. But then he became a dad. He still did not give up. What would have taken him 1 year eventually took him 4. But he felt he was really close until one day.
Ganesh, I have to tell you something. It is a good news. Daddy! Hey, watch out!
Hey, pate.
Congratulations. You're going to be a daddy again.
I still remember that night he called me up and he was cribbing and crying for about half an hour. Any normal person would have given up by now, but not Ganesh. But there was a straw that finally broke this camel's back.
Good morning, sir. Please sign. Congratulations. Your home loan of 50 lakhs is approved.
Congrats, Ganesh. You're finally settled.
Finally settled.
One year later, Google launched the exact same product that Ganesh was working on. They made millions.
Shit. That's a sad story, man.
That's absolute nonsense. You guys are saying as if only men face all the trouble while trying to be entrepreneurs. Do you even realize how difficult it is to be a woman and also be an entrepreneur? But there are many women who have done this. You have to overcome all the odds to become successful here. You and the friends you were talking about simply make lame excuses because you are lazy and good for nothing.
Daisy, have a Snickers, yeah?
Why?
Because when you're hungry, you become a combination of Medha Patkar, Mamta Banerjee and Mayawati.
Oh shit! Why is he calling?
Guys,
Oh no.
Don't pick it up.
hello, sir. Sir, we are in the food court, sir. Tea break, sir. Oh, no, sir, only half an hour. Before that, lunch break, sir. Sir, no, sir. We have already finished 5 test cases. Yeah, sir. Sir, only 45 are remaining now. Today itself. Okay, sir. We'll finish it, sir. Yeah, we are coming.
Okay guys, enough for today.